Best bike in 125 cubic centimeters segment 2025 KTM RC 125. The 2025 KTM RC 125 is redefining the 125 cubic centimeters sport bike segment, combining aggressive styling, top-tier performance, and advanced technology. As the smallest supersport in KTM's RC lineup, this bike is an ideal choice for beginner riders who crave a race-inspired experience. With its sharp aesthetics, lightweight chassis, and high-revving engine, the 2025 KTM RC 125 stands out as the best 125 cubic centimeters motorcycle in the world. High-performance engine and dynamics. At the heart of the 2025 KTM RC 125 is a 124.7 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder DOHC engine, producing 15 horsepower and 12 Nm of torque. This high-performance engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox, providing smooth and precise gear shifts. Thanks to KTM's race-derived engineering, the RC 125 delivers an exhilarating riding experience while meeting 5 Euro+ emission standards. Aggressive design and lightweight chassis. The 2025 KTM RC 125 takes inspiration from the brand's MotoGP machines, featuring a sharp aerodynamic fairing, twin LED headlamps, and a lightweight trellis frame. The revised chassis and lightweight subframe improve stability and agility, ensuring excellent handling in both city traffic and high-speed corners. With a seat height of 824 mm, the RC 125 offers an aggressive yet comfortable riding position for sport bike enthusiasts. Advanced features and technology. KTM has packed the RC 125 with premium features that enhance rider safety, comfort, and performance. Key highlights include: full LED lighting system ensures better visibility and enhances the bike's premium appeal. 5-inch TFT display with smartphone connectivity provides real-time ride data and seamless integration with mobile devices. WP Apex USD front forks, 43 mm, offers superior damping and handling. Bosch dual-channel ABS with Supermoto mode allows controlled braking and the option to disable the rear ABS for an enhanced racing experience. Lightweight wheels and updated braking system improves agility and stopping power. Designed for track and street performance. The RC 125 is engineered for both thrilling track days and daily commutes. Its refined aerodynamics, improved ergonomics, and lightweight chassis make it a joy to ride on twisty roads and urban environments. The 13.7-liter fuel tank ensures a decent range for longer rides, making it practical as well as performance-driven. Exceptional value for a premium 125 cubic centimeters sport bike. With an estimated price of $5,400, the 2025 KTM RC 125 offers race-inspired performance, cutting-edge technology, and KTM's aggressive design language at an accessible cost. Its combination of high-performance engineering, modern features, and razor-sharp looks makes it an unbeatable contender in the 125 cubic centimeters segment. Final verdict. The 2025 KTM RC 125 is the ultimate 125 cubic centimeters supersport motorcycle, excelling in performance, design, and innovation. Whether you're a beginner seeking an adrenaline-packed ride or an experienced rider looking for a lightweight and dynamic machine, the RC 125 delivers an unmatched experience. KTM continues to push boundaries, ensuring that the RC 125 remains the best in its class for 2025.